Hi, today's topic is what is a collision? So a collision is basically when you have two things with the same name or with the same value when you don't want that to be the case. So think of an example. Let's say you are running an email server for a company and you have two people who have the same name, John Doe or Kumar Singh, for instance. Well, two people named John Doe, unless you're very careful, will have exactly the same email address. Same goes for Kumar Singh. But it's not always as simple as that, because sometimes you might say, okay, well, actually, we have an algorithm for determining what the username will be for somebody. So I used to work in a company where the algorithm was first name and the first letter of the second name. So I was Mike B, because my name is Mike Bursell. But then there was also someone called Mike Burrell or something like that. So he was Mike B. So they had to make that Mike BU. And then there was someone with Mike BUR. So they had to do that. So we had collisions there. Now, collisions can happen in a number of situations, and again, they could be really important things to spot because they can, of course, cause us security problems. In that case, maybe you were saying that only Mike Bursell is allowed to access this cryptographic key or to unlock this door, but you do it on the username and you get the wrong one. So there it could be that. But collisions can take place in other situations as well, including cryptography, and it's really important to be aware that operations or algorithms can output values which do collide, and that can be really concerning and something that we need to worry about. So I hope that's useful. If you've got questions about this, or in fact any other topic around cybersecurity, please get in touch, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. I'll do what I can to answer. Thanks.